इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस। क्या तुम साथ आओगे? विल यू कम अलोंग? विल यू कम अलोंग? तुम आसपास ही रहना। यू स्टिक अराउंड। यू स्टिक अराउंड। मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है। आई मे नीड यू। आई मे नीड यू। मम्मी आसपास नहीं दिख रही हैं। मॉम इज़ नॉट बीइंग सीन अराउंड। मॉम इज़ नॉट बीइंग सीन अराउंड। पृथ्वी सूर्य के चारों ओर घूम रही है। द अर्थ इज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सन। द अर्थ इज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सन। लोग मेरे चारों ओर थे। पीपल वर देयर अराउंड मी। पीपल वर देयर अराउंड मी। उसका प्रदर्शन उम्मीद के मुताबिक नहीं है। हिज परफॉर्मेंस इज नॉट अप टू द मार्क। His performance is not up to the mark. वो इस जॉब के लायक नहीं है। He is not up to this job. He is not up to this job. ये सब आप पर है, आप देख लीजिए। It's all up to you. It's all up to you. ये आप पर निर्भर है कि आप जाएं या नहीं। It's up to you whether you go or not. It's up to you whether you go or not. वो 5 किलोमीटर तक दौड़ी। She ran up to 5 kilometers. She ran up to 5 kilometers. मैं बस देहरादून तक गई। I just went up to देहरादून। I just went up to देहरादून। उसने 3 बजे तक टीवी देखा। He watched TV till 3 o'clock. He watched TV till 3 o'clock. मैं 5 बजे तक घर पर थी। I was at home till 5. I was at home till 5. मैं 2013 तक दिल्ली में रही। I lived in Delhi till 2013. I lived in Delhi till 2013. मैं यहाँ सोमवार तक हूँ। I am here till Monday. I am here till Monday. मैं जनवरी तक वहाँ थी। I was there till January. I was there till January. हम सोमवार तक ठहरे। We stayed till Monday. We stayed till Monday. मैं 5 बजे तक घर पर थी। I was at home till 5. I was at home till 5. मैं 9 बजे तक काम करूंगी। I will work till 9. I will work till 9. वे दिल्ली के दौरे के दौरान आए। He came during the visit of Delhi. He came during the visit of Delhi. मैंने पढ़ाई के दौरान नौकरी की। I worked during studies. I worked during studies. हम ब्रेक के दौरान सचिन से मिल सकते हैं। We can meet Sachin during the break. We can meet Sachin during the break. छुट्टियों के दौरान मैं दिल्ली में थी। I was in Delhi during the vacation. I was in Delhi during the vacation. इसके अलावा कुछ और खाते हो क्या? Do you eat anything else besides this? Do you eat anything else besides this? इसे छोड़कर मुझे कुछ भी दे दो। Give me anything except it. Give me anything except it. तुम्हारे अलावा मैं किसी को भी डांट सकती हूँ। I can scold anyone except you. I can scold anyone except you. यह दुकान रविवार को छोड़कर सभी दिन खुलती है। This shop opens every day except Sunday. This shop opens every day except Sunday. वो गाना कहाँ गाता है? Where does he sing the song? Where does he sing the song? क्या सीता वहाँ बैठी? Did Sita sit there? Did Sita sit there? मैं 2008 से कंपनी में काम कर रहा हूँ। I have been working with the company since 2008. I have been working with the company since 2008. तुमने मेरा मूड खराब किया. You spoiled my mood. You spoiled my mood. वह 2 साल पहले कंपनी छोड़ चुका है. He has left the company 2 years ago. He has left the company 2 years ago. मैं 2 घंटे से ठंड से कांप रहा हूँ. I have been shivering with cold for 2 hours. I have been shivering with cold for 2 hours. मैं घूमने गया. I went for a walk. I went for a walk. तुमने हाल ही में कौन सी फिल्म देखी है? Which movie have you recently seen? Which movie have you recently seen? वो भगवान की पूजा कब से कर रही है? Since when has she been worshipping God? Since when has she been worshipping God? क्या आपने खाना खाया? Did you eat the food? Did you eat the food? मैं तुमसे कभी नहीं मिलूंगी. I will never meet you. I will never meet you. मैं आपके पास कब आई? When did I come to you? When did I come to you? तुम ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? उसने मुझे अकेला छोड़ दिया है. He has left me alone. He has left me alone. राम ऑफिस कब जाता है? When does Ram go to office? When does Ram go to office? तुम मुझे सुबह से क्यों ढूंढ रहे हो? Why have you been searching me since morning? Why have you been searching me since morning? उसने तुम्हें धमकी क्यों दी थी? Why had he threatened you? Why had he threatened you? नल दिखने में अच्छा लग रहा था. The tap was looking good. The tap was looking good. क्या आप सुबह से घूम रहे हैं? Have you been walking since morning? Have you been walking since morning? क्या आप 3 साल से काम कर रहे हैं? Have you been working for 3 years? Have you been working for 3 years? तुम्हारे बाल झड़ चुके थे. You suffered a hair fall. You suffered a hair fall. राम कंप्यूटर सीखता है. राम learns computer. राम learns computer. लोग मुझसे मिलने नहीं आएंगे. People will not come to meet me. People will not come to meet me. मैं तुमसे बात करूंगी. I will talk to you. I will talk to you. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में कुछ नहीं सोच रही हूँ. I am not thinking anything about you. I am not thinking anything about you. वो तुम्हारा इंतज़ार 2 बजे से कर रहा था. He had been waiting for you since 2 o'clock. He had been waiting for you since 2 o'clock. वो आदमी मुझसे नहीं मिलता है. That man does not meet me. That man does not meet me. राम धोखा दे रहा था. Ram was cheating. Ram was cheating. क्या आप हमसे सहमत हैं? Do you agree with us? Do you agree with us? वो तुम्हें धमकी क्यों देता है? Why does he threaten you? Why does he threaten you? वह 2 साल पहले कंपनी छोड़ चुका है. He has left the company 2 years ago. He has left the company 2 years ago. मुझे उसकी याद आ रही थी. I was missing him. I was missing him. लोग मिठाइयाँ खा चुके थे. People had eaten the sweets. People had eaten the sweets. मैंने सब कुछ समझ लिया था. I had understood everything. I had understood everything. वो मेरे दिल को समझ रही थी. She was understanding my feelings. She was understanding my feelings. उसने गाना कहाँ गाया? Where did he sing the song? Where did he sing the song? तुमने ऐसा क्यों सोचा? Why did you think so? Why did you think so? तुम अच्छे लग रहे हो. You are looking good. You are looking good. मैं तुमसे मिलने को पागल हो रही थी. I was craving to meet you. I was craving to meet you. मैं दीवार के पीछे छुप गई. I hide behind the wall. I hide behind the wall. वो तुम्हारे घर की तरफ क्यों आता है? Why does he come towards your home? Why does he come towards your home? क्या आप हमसे कुछ कह रहे हैं? Are you saying something to us? Are you saying something to us? मैं किसी तरह ऑफिस पहुंची हूँ. I have somehow reached office. I have somehow reached office. मैं तुमसे कभी नहीं मिली. I never met you. I never met you. तुम अपनी गलती स्वीकार कर चुके हो. You have accepted your fault. You have accepted your fault. मैं तुम्हें रोज देखने आया. I came to see you daily. I came to see you daily. वो तुम्हारे घर पहले ही आ चुका है. He has already come your home. He has already come your home. तुम सभ्य लगते हो. You look civilized. You look civilized. वो दोनों हमें क्या सिखाएंगे? What will they both teach us? What will they both teach us? वो मेरे बारे में कुछ ना कुछ तो बताएगा. He will tell at least something about me. He will tell at least something about me. हमने गलती नहीं की. We did not make a mistake. We did not make a mistake. ये कहानियाँ मुझे पसंद नहीं. I don't like these stories. I don't like these stories. आपका स्कूल में होना कितना मायने रखता है? How important is it for you being in school? How important is it for you being in school? लगता है वो देहरादून में काफी समय से है. He seems to have been in Dehradun for quite a long. He seems to have been in Dehradun for quite a long. ये काम किसने किया? Who did this work? Who did this work? वो घूमने गया था. He had gone for a walk. He had gone for a walk. मैं पेन से लिखूंगी. I will write with a pen. I will write with a pen. उसने किताब ले ली थी. He had taken the book. He had taken the book. ये कौन करता है? Who does it? Who does it? वो किसके लिए इतना दूर गया? For whom did he go this far? For whom did he go this far? हम 2 बजे पार्क में घूम रहे थे. We were walking in the park at 2 o'clock. We were walking in the park at 2 o'clock. माँ बदले में कुछ नहीं मांगती. Mother demands nothing in return. Mother demands nothing in return. बुरे दौर में तुम्हारा साथ किसने दिया? Who stood by you in bad phase? Who stood by you in bad phase? क्या तुम मुझे याद दिलाओगे? Will you remind me? Will you remind me? मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचा. I never thought so. I never thought so. तुम्हें चोट किसने पहुंचाई? Who hurt you? Who hurt you? हमारी आंखें उसे देख रही थीं. Our eyes were searching him. Our eyes were searching him. उसने गलती की है. He has committed a mistake. He has committed a mistake.